Today is August 29th, 2021. I'm going to take this thing out for a little ride up Mines Road. I need to get a few miles on it. It has 35 miles on it right now. I just pulled over for a minute to make sure we're not having any major leaks or anything. Looks pretty good. Take a quick break. It's starting to get pretty darn hot already. It's probably about 9:30 a.m. A little warm?
Halfway done, it's a little warm.
It's just a bit warm, isn't it?
That's not bad. Well, we'll be done before the worst of it. Yeah.
Easy one today.
Downhill. Back. How about you?
This is it for me. This is a break-in ride for this thing.
That's got a kickstart. What the heck is that?
It's a
early 80s?
1985 Yamaha RZ350.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Is it a two-step?
Yes.
Nice. So
Thanks.
you rebuilt that? Or?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it just needs paint. It's got a little over 50 miles on it right now. That was a little less than 2 hours. It's hot and smoky. The bike now has about 85 miles, so put on about 50 miles it looks like. My assessment is it ran good, really good. I need to adjust the air screws or the idle to get it to idle down a little bit. My little shrink tube fix here is leaving black marks. Oh, it looks like it comes right off. It's hard to shift, or it hurts my foot. I need to put a rubber doohickey on the shift lever. Looks to me like it's over oiling, but I think that's from this throttle cable from the Spec 2. It has a spacer on it. Where is it? Is it under here? That pulls the cable and gives it more oil. It sure ran cool. Let's see, when I got into traffic in downtown it got to about 182 or something. But up in the hills it never went above about 175. It's pretty good. Happy days. Brakes work good. I resealed the exhaust and I don't see a speck of two-stroke spooge coming out. Looking good. The forks that I just resealed, I didn't get much travel out of them. It looks like it only came up about this far. That's not much. So now I wasn't riding very aggressive, but they seem pretty stiff compared to this same type of fork. The rear shock, which is a decades old brand new Fox shock, worked beautifully. The rear suspension felt great. Next time I ride it, probably ride a little more aggressive and see what happens, and I may have to change this 15 weight fork oil out for 10 or 5 or 7.5.